consistency in Setjhaba se Maketse. They just descended the stage with the secondary school category. They are coming back with the primary school category. The next school, Kamohelo Primary School. Rikhonne Primary School. And the last one is Bacha Primary School. Ladies and gentlemen, let's applaud to them as they are taking a photo. We are still saying, okay. Let's continue to motivate them as they are taking a photo. Let's applaud them.
Play the song. Continue playing the song.